Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Allison, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today's video, we're starting off with a healthy habit, a delicious and nutritious drink. I'm mixing up with some orange juice with Bloom, a superfood power packed with veggies and nutriments. Let's be real, I don't always get all my daily dose of veggies, so this is a great way to get it in. After we get our drink on, we're tackling a project that's long overdue, my hallway closet. It's time to get organized, declutter, and make the space shine. So grab a glass of your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's get started on this healthy and organized journey together. Get ready for a closet transformation like no other. This is before, it's a hot mess.
Pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull.
I took everything out and gave it a good old cleaning with my favorite disinfectant spray.
My bad, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way.
So I got me a plastic bag just to put all the finished projects, unused products, trash, whatever that needs to go in the trash in that bag.
Better way.
Then we're going to wipe down the containers to put them back in the closet and just organize it to see how I want to place it inside the closet.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine. But every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural. Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come?
place everything back in the closet. So what I decided to do was put the tissues at the bottom, put alcohol, the peroxide and everything on that shelf, cotton balls on that shelf, and then make my way up. At the end, you guys are going to see what I end up putting on the shelves. Every day this week, I'm just gonna tackle one area at a time and organize it. You know, I just moved maybe like a month now, and I just placed everything like where it should be. So now I'm just going around each area of my house and cleaning, organizing and stuff. You guys should join along, you know, organize and deep clean one area of your house every day. And yeah, let's just get organized together. Me going through this closet, I realize I need so much things, and I'm just like, oh, I have to purchase so many things for this closet. I'm missing so many products and stuff like that, but we gonna get it together.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop.
Guys, I need to do my hair, and I don't know what hairstyle to do. I'm so tired of a ponytail every time, and I'm losing my edges. My edges is going, so I need to do like a protective style. I might get box braids again. I'm thinking about it.
Let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart, and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you.
So I folded my sheets and blanket into everything last night, so we're just gonna add that to the closet.
Love me like that, love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that?
This is how the floor is looking right now. So I'm not gonna keep those red bins right there. I'm gonna throw that away and use the other ones that I have. It's more sturdier. I'm just gonna put my daughter's asthma products in one, and then I'm gonna put the hair products in the next.
Have to love me like that, love me like that. Oh. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something. I was so sure, let my guard down for you.
So here's some extra stuff that I need to put them in different places. So I'm gonna do that off camera. And that's the garbage bag and the bins that I'm throwing away. And this is the final look. I think it looks so much better than it was before. I didn't know where to put my sheets and stuff, but I'm just gonna leave it in there for now. And I just so many things I need to get. I need some soap, some body sprays and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye guys.
You ain't really ready for